It started off with Tier 2 teams cooking up something unimaginable. Then it was played on Ascent, a map where the meta was considered figured out. G2 think that Leviathan are going to group up and rush down a lane together.
And so it just goes to show, who knows whether it's right or it's wrong.
And pulling back into the station, Reese, it is back to you.
Choo-choo! Why do you keep pointing your mic at me like I don't have one right in front of me?
We'd like to hear what you have to say.
Yeah.
I hate this.
What you wanna say?